Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 5, Whole Number Division, Lesson 8. So please turn to page 33 so you can follow along and take notes. So today we're finding missing numbers in multiplication and division sentences. So here they give us the three numbers for the multiplication and division fact family, 4, 6, 24. Well, we know 4 times 6 is 24. So then we can also say 6 times 4 equals 24. And then we can write the division facts. 4 divided by 6 is 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And then 24 divided by 4 is 6. Here we have something times 5 is 20. Well, we can skip count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, and we did that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then this one, we know that something divided by 3 is 6. Well, we also know in the fact family, if we do 6 times 3 to get the answer, that's what's going to go right here in the blank spot. So 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. Here we have 30 divided by 6, we know is 5. And then that means that in this fact family, 5 times 6 is 30. This says, find the missing numbers in each fact in the fact family. So here we have a picture. So we have something times 8 equals 24. Well, in this group, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples, and there are 1, 2, 3 groups. So we know that 3 times 8 is 24. We can also do 24 divided by 8 equals 3, because we have 24 total apples made 3 groups, and then there's 8 in each group. Here we have it, the picture is a little bit different, but we also know that 8 times 3 is 24. We have 3 apples in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. So then 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Here it says, try it together. Find the missing number in each multiplication or division sentence. So we can think about these different ways. So 8 times 5. It's easiest to count by 5, so we'll skip count by 5 because we know 8 times 5 is the same as 5 times 8. And so we can use that to find it. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 times 8 is 40, or 8 times 5 is 40. Here we have something times 3 equals 21. Well, we can do the same thing, but count by 3s. So here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 3 is 21. And here we have 36 divided by something is 4. Well, we also know that if in a fact family, we can do 36 divided by 4 equals that answer. Okay, so these two are going to be the same. So we're going to divide by 4. So we'll start with 36 and divide by 4. So we have 36 and we're going to make groups of 4. So we have all these groups have 4 dots in them. And then let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count the groups. We have 9 groups. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. And also 36 divided by 4 is 9. This says complete the multiplication fact and then use that fact to find the missing number. So we need to, something times 7 is 42. Remember, we can also switch those around. 7 times something equals 42. So we'll skip count by 7s. And we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we did that 6 times. So that means 6 times 7 is 42, or 7 times 6 is 42, which means 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Okay, so find the missing numbers in multiplication and division problems. So using symbols. Here we have something times 8 equals 48. So it says for a multiplication sentence with a missing factor, begin with the given factor, then count by this factor until you reach the product. So here we did skip counting by eights, and then we counted how many times. So 6 times 8 is 48. For a division sentence with the missing dividend, count by the divisor the number of times indicated by the quotient. So we know that it's 5, so we had to count by eights 5 times because 40 divided by 8 is 5. So all they did is counted by eights, and we saw that it was 5 times. For a division sentence with missing divisor, begin with the quotient, then count by the quotient until you reach the dividend. So here we have 4, 8, 12. Here's the quotient, the answer. So when you go by that, then you can see that you did it 3 times. 12 divided by 3 is 4. All right, so now on your own, you're going to complete page 35. Good luck.